Akin na, ako magbukas. Pero man nakipakita.
Hello po, Kuya JP. Okay lang, Franz. May next time pa po. I miss you too. Thank you, Kuya JP. See you soon po. Hi, guys.
And ito na, guys. Sure, let's do the unboxing. Uy! Ano?
Chicheria Grocery.
For the snacks.
Thank you, Ate
Thank you
EJ.
so much.
Sa'yo.
Thank you so much, Ate EJ. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you po. Tapos may mga yung iba dito, hindi sa amin.
Kanina to. Ay, akin to. Thank you, Ate EJ.
Wow.
HiQ
HiQ.
merch.
Wow. Wow. Kay Rafael yung iba. Kay RC. Wow.
Thank you, Ate.
Thank you so much.
Dahil mahilig po ako sa HiQ.
If I-
Thank you, Ate.
Thank you, Ate EJ. For the snacks.
For the go, for the go. Thank you, Ate. Thank you,
English
guys.
now. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you, everyone, for sending gifts and making...
Holidays.
Thank you po. Salamat po sa lahat. Hi, Moonlight Star. Bye, guys. Thank you po sa lahat po uli nung nagpunta ng CSE ko. Maraming salamat.
Oh, meron ako nakita kanina. Ayun.
Okay.
Thank you, Ate.
Thank you, guys.
EJ.
Bye-bye, guys. I love you. Thank you po sa mga gift nyo. Ate Mai, Ate Rez, Ate Ange. Thank you, Aris. Sa lahat po nung nagpunta ng CSE ko, hindi ko na po kayo maisa-isa. Maraming salamat po. Bye-bye, guys.